What is trade? Global trade explained simply. Dig talk, upbeat music plus animated globe plus cargo ships and products moving across borders. Hosts, ever wondered how your phone from China, your coffee from Brazil, and your car from Germany all ended up in your neighborhood? Welcome to the world of trade. And today on Dig Talk, we're breaking it down. Part 1. What is trade? Visuals of countries exchanging goods. HOST trade is the exchange of goods and services between countries or people. It helps nations get what they don't have while selling what they do. Think of it like a giant global swap meet. Example, India sends spices to the U.S. The U.S. sends airplanes to Europe. Japan sends cars to the world. Part 2. Types of trade show graphics. Arrows between countries versus people in a local market. HOST. There are two main types of trade. Domestic trade, buying and selling within the same country. International trade, trading between countries around the world. Bonus term. Import equals what a country buys. Export equals what a country sells. Part 3. WHY. Trade is important. 115 to 145. Scenes. People shopping. Factories. Ports. Online sales hosts. Trade helps countries get products they can't produce, create jobs, boost the economy, lower prices through competition. That's also why you can eat mangoes in winter or buy electronics from halfway across the world. Part 4. Trade challenges. Show visuals of cargo delays, taxes, trade disputes. Hosts, but trade isn't always smooth. Countries can add tariffs. Shipments can be delayed. Some countries compete unfairly. That's where trade deals and organizations like the WTO step in to keep things fair. Part 5. Why IT matters to you. Cut to scenes of online shopping, marketplaces, stock markets. Hosts, whether you're buying a phone, studying business, or selling art online, you're part of the global trade system. Even YouTubers trade value. Content for views, sponsors for money. Hosts, so now you know. Trade makes the world go round. Literally. Don't forget to like, comment what country you're watching from, and subscribe for more smart, simple stories from Dig Talk.